Finally, naglabas na rin ang Hodek nitong 4-in-1 multifunctional grooming kit. Ang tagal kong inantay na magkaroon sila ng ganito. Trusted brand ko na kasi ang Hodek when it comes to quality at pagdating sa design, minimalist and super aesthetic talaga. When you open the box, it has 4 replacement heads. Lahat ito ay safe, washable, and of course, painless. Good thing is, wireless na rin ito. Mas gusto ko talaga yung ganito, yung rechargeable lang kasi hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng bumili. Lalo na ako, every 3 weeks talaga ako nagpapalit ng pang-ahit kaya ang laking tipid din. Napaka-handy lang niya kaya napakadali ring gamitin. Kompleto na rin siya kaya wala ka nang poproblemahin. So now, let's start with this one. It has 3 set of blades, yung curve, straight, and middle foil. Yung straight blade is to remove longer hairs. Yung middle naman or the mesh cutter head is to remove short hair and unwanted hair. You can use this on your armpit hair, arm, and leg. And syempre, sa ating hair down there. This one naman is for face hair removal and bikini. Face hair removal which is balbas at bigote. This one naman is for nose and ear. Kasi diba yung iba mahaba yung hair sa nose. So instead na gupitin, ito na lang yung gamitin, mas safe pa. And this one naman is for eyebrow. Kasi diba, pag binubunot natin yung buhok natin sa kilay, malabo yung eyes natin kasi natatamaan yung ugat niya. Siguro kaya malabo yung mata ko. Meron na rin pala siyang kasamang ganito, so pwede mo siyang i-brush off lang or hugasan sa tubig. Very convenient rin yung charging design since it is USB, pwede mo siyang i-plug lang sa adapter, power bank, or laptop. So, kung gusto mo ring mapadali ang pag-aahit mo, mas makatipid dahil hindi mo na kailangan magpalit every 3 weeks, bumili ka na rin itong 4-in-1 multifunctional hair removal ng Hodek. Get yours now!